Well, it's a rainy day. I am at a house clean out. We'll see what we can find. Everything's down in the basement, so let me go get a light. So, I got some bins. I'll show you what's down this way. No, I'm pretty good right this second. I bought all the stuff. Oh man, my flashlight, sorry. There we go, light. In this corner. Definitely a lot of stuff. All these boxes. I'm gonna load everything up in the bins. And hopefully we do pretty good. I don't know, some of this stuff looks pretty interesting. Those look all like motors. These are all lights, indicators. So that's a big circuit. There's a bunch of stuff in here. So oh, that hooks up the rest of the lights. You just killed my light bulb? Yes, you did. Alright, I'm gonna start packing boxes. All weird gears. Lots of cigar boxes. I guess these are heads. More cigar boxes. Ball bearings. Key tops for teletypes. This has buttons and it's really heavy. It's all cool stuff. Alright. Do not crush. I guess that's gonna go on top of something. Kind of a cool little motor. Right in that hole. This is a reel for a teletype machine. Of course. I got some more boxes. Man, there's a lot of stuff. You know, some of these fuses can be good. The guy was a ham radio operator. look like M80s. This box is awesome. Definitely want to be careful with that.
Hey,
Yeah,
you want the wiring too, right?
well,
Strap or no?
yeah, but like if it's stuff you can sell.
No, it's a lot of just, it's a lot of not cut wire, but just unused wire that just,
Right.
if you don't, if, you know.
Yeah, no, it definitely, definitely better than light iron. There's a lot of stuff. Brand new motors. Look at this. And there, that's all those indicators. All right. I have all these boxes here. I have no clue what they are. Keyboards, parts, small parts, and envelopes. That could be good. All right. What does this say? That's kind of cool. February 1968. Take that. Put that on the side of this. I don't know. This is definitely something fun to do on a rainy day. So, this says small envelopes and parts. I think this is kind of like the same thing that I showed you guys the other day. And it is all different teletype envelopes. But this is, there's got to be thousands of pieces in here. That's pretty cool. I don't know. Still have all these boxes of parts and pieces. And I did load up my 5 tubs with all the awesome stuff. Definitely a good thing to do on a rainy day. All the gold pins. It's probably 1940s. Cool old circuit boards. I guess we'll take the whole box. Not sure what that does. It looks like some type of vacuum. Look at the old blender. I guess he saved it for the motor. All right. Just finishing this last two boxes. I'm gonna make a deal to do all the scrap and take whatever is left, because there's a whole bunch of stuff in this whole side, but we shall see. So I moved that big tower out of here. That I got everything on these shelves. So far we loaded up 1, 2, 3, 4 big totes. I have a 5th tote. I figured all this loose stuff in here might be the way to go. That's a really cool meter. AC volts. It's like Frankenstein stuff. These are all switches and relays. I'm not sure. They look cool. Most of this is probably World War II era. Pretty cool box. Let's see if it's new in the box or if it's... No, used other tools, but or put other things in there, but the box is pretty awesome. I'm gonna grab all this stuff with the porcelain on it and put it in this one box, though. Cool little motor. All these down here are just motors. Oh, is that another gauge? Looks like it might be. That looks like a nice early motor. Oh, 300 volts. That's pretty cool. Put that in this bin with the other. So I got the other meter right there, or another. Yeah, lots of stuff, Kyle. I'm so lucky. Honestly, yes. This stuff's heavy. Very, very heavy. We ready to do go over the scrap?
Yeah.
Well, I've got everything up. Got a lot of fun parts and pieces. I guess it's all to different teletype machines. Rain's finally letting up a little, but I'm gonna stick all this in the truck. I'm gonna put it on time lapse. Me and my buddy are gonna load it real fast. All right.
More either, so use me for...
But they're massive. My guess is they're all for old ham radios. 255A. I have one new in the box. I don't know. Hopefully these are actually worth some money. It's definitely... I always like deals like this because you always have to look everything up and it makes you have to think. So, I'm gonna grab that. I think that's everything for today. Got the whole back of the truck loaded with one more load. I had spent another $500 on everything in the truck, plus I still have a truckload and a half more from the basement, so I guess altogether we spent $1,000 here because I spent $500 on the canoe and the other thing that you guys saw. Definitely was a good day. Whew. I don't know if you guys saw anything that you thought was better in this video. I'm not an expert, and it's definitely fun learning, so I don't know, leave me a message. And I guess please be safe out there. Hopefully the rain stops this week so we can get to the flea market. And if you haven't yet, please give somebody a call. I'm gonna try to get more videos done, and it's definitely tricky in the rain. So see everybody later. Peace.